Hello children, welcome to the class. How are you all? Okay, a very good morning to you. So, what we are going to learn in class today, we will continue with the same chapter number 1, Nature and Significance of Management. Okay, and today we are going to learn about the objectives of management. Okay, till now we have learned the introduction of management, the meaning and definitions of management and the characteristics of management. I hope you have understood all these things properly. Okay, and in today's video we are going to learn about the objectives of management. So basically, what are the objectives of management? Okay, objective means the goal, end goal of the organization. The organization have so many goals, so many objectives, different type of objectives they have. That so many examples are there. Suppose an organization want to they have their target that in 1 year they want to achieve this target. So they have this organization is having this target, okay, that they want to achieve it in 1 year. So every organization, if so many organizations are there, every organization have their different objectives. Okay, so objectives are the, you understood, objectives are the aims, objective are the goals of the organizations. Okay, now to achieve all these goals, right, objectives plays very important roles in the organization. Okay, it plays very important role. How? Then only the organization will grow. Okay, when they achieve their objectives. And to achieve the objectives, who plays that role and who will help the organization to achieve these objectives? उस organization के जो goals है, objectives है, उनको achieve करने में कौन help करता है? That helps the management. Management plays very important role. Management क्या करता है? Management has to achieve all objectives. Okay, organization is having the objective that in 1 year they want to they have set the target. In 1 year they want to achieve this goal. They have their objective, but who will fulfill, who will achieve that objective? That objective will achieve by the management. Management will do that, because in management so many steps are there. So manager has to plan each and everything. They have to set the everything properly according to the goal what they have decided. They have to prepare everything regarding that goal. Okay, so then only management will achieve those objectives. Okay, management plays very important role. There are so many objectives of the organization, different objectives they have, but to fulfill those objectives, the management has to achieve all those objectives. Okay, management will achieve all those objectives, right? So objectives plays a very important part in the organization. Okay, now see, let's see in the book. Now objectives meaning I have told you. Now there are the managerial objectives of an organization can be classified into 3 categories. There are 3 categories, 3 parts of the objectives. Okay, let's see what are those 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? Let me remove this from here. Let me remove this. Yes. Now, let's see here. There are 3 categories of managerial objectives. Number 1 is what we are going to do today. That is organizational objective. Organizational objective. Okay, in organizational objective, now organizational objective also it is also divided into 3 parts. Okay, that is 3 parts it is divided: survival, profit, and growth. Okay, managerial objectives are also divided into 3 parts. First we are doing today, that is organizational objectives. So what are organizational objectives and what role they play? Let's see here what they are saying, the meaning. These objectives aim at prosperity and growth of the organization. Okay, organizational objectives have the aim of growth and prosperity. Okay, they have the aim of growth and prosperity. ओके, कंपनी की ग्रोथ होनी चाहिए और कंपनी प्रॉस्पर होनी चाहिए. दिस दे आर सेइंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, जनरली इट इज अज्यूम्ड दैट profit maximization is the main objective of every organization, but it is not true. Listen what they are saying, that profit maximization is the main objective of every organization, but it is not true. Every organization, okay, they want to earn profit, every organization, but only earning profit is not the main objective. It is not the main objective. Yes, पैसा तो अर्न करना ही करना है. सपोज XYZ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसको पैसा अर्न करना है. कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट करता है तो किस लिए बिजनेस स्टार्ट करता है? किस लिए वो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करता है? टू अर्न द प्रॉफिट. बट क्या सिर्फ प्रॉफिट अर्न करना ही मेन मोटिव होता है? नो, सिर्फ प्रॉफिट ही अर्न करना, दिस इज नॉट द मेन मोटिव. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, the manager try to develop and attain variety of objectives in all management areas. Now management has to play very important role. Previously I have told you that management has to play a very important role to achieve the objectives of the organization. So same here they are saying that manager has to try to develop and attain variety of objectives. So many different objectives are there in the organization. So management will decide, management will plan that how he will attain all these objectives, okay, of the organization. So this is the organizational objective. Its aim is, what is its aim? Growth and prosperity is the aim of the organization, and profit is not only the main motive of the organization. Remember this thing. And manager has to achieve all these objectives, right? Now organizational objectives are divided into 3 parts. Okay, in 11th standard also we have did this survival, profit and growth, if you remember. Okay, so in organizational objectives there are 3 main heads, and that is survival, profit and growth. Profit तो सबको पता है that profit earn करना, it is very important, but survival and growth, what is this? Survival in the market, every organization has to survive till the end. ये नहीं कि आज बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया और वो कल शॉप बंद हो गई, ऐसे तो सर्वाइव ही नहीं हो पाएगा. सो सर्वाइवल प्लेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. सर्वाइव करना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत ज़रूरी है टिल एंड. ये नहीं कि आज खोला और 10 दिन में शॉप बंद हो गई. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. So they are saying the basic purpose of every organization to survive and exist in the competitive market. So much competition are there in the market, so many companies are there, so many organizations are there. So every organization has to play their role like that, that they should survive in the existing market, okay, for a long period of time. Okay, survival is very important. If they will not survive, then how they will run their organization? The organization will close. Okay, so survival is very, very important. That it plays very important role. Survive करना market में ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Now, after survive, profit comes. Now, profit से आप क्या समझते हैं? What do you understand by profit? They are saying the most important objective of every organization is earning adequate amount of profit. Suppose XYZ organization is there and that organization is doing well, earning profit. Okay, whatever the amount they have invested in their business, in return they they got that amount also, and they got the profit, they have earned the profit also. Okay, so it is very good for the organization. And why it is good for the organization? Why profit is good for the organization? It will help in the survival and growth of the organization and expansion of the business. If profit is there, anybody, any organization can extend their business, extend their organization. If profit is there, okay. अगर profit ही नहीं हो रहा है तो कोई कैसे अपने business को बढ़ाएगा? Suppose a person is there, he has opened the showroom, okay, small showroom of bikes. It is small today, only few bikes are there and not that much full facility, but he is getting profit. In 1 year he got so much profit. So what he decided? That he will extend his showroom, okay, he will modify his showroom and more bikes, more scooters will be there for purchase, for sale. Okay, so why he did this? Because of the profit. He got profit in that business, in his business. That's why he has extended his business. So profit plays very important role. Profit is a very important part of the organization. That कि profit की वजह से आप organization अपना profit help करता है survive के लिए, survival के लिए और growth के लिए और business को expand करने के लिए, उसको बढ़ाने के लिए. Okay, now move to third step, that is growth. Now what is growth? Survival we have studied, profit, and last is growth. What is growth? Business organization must grow and expand their activities. The success of any organization is measured by the growth rate, and growth is measured in terms of sales, number of branches, number of products, number of employees, etc. Now survive करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए मार्केट में, एंड प्रॉफिट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, देन ओनली इट विल ग्रो. एंड ग्रोथ से आप क्या समझते हैं? ग्रोथ कब होती है? हम ग्रोथ कब करेंगे? जो ये बोल रहे हैं बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मस्ट ग्रो. ओके, ये नहीं कि आज हमने एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिजनेस ओपन किया है, सपोज बिजनेस ओपन किया है प्लास्टिक मटेरियल का, प्लास्टिक मटेरियल्स का. Okay, they are manufacturing plastic materials. क्या that organization will be stay with that variety or that kind of material what they are manufacturing? No. If they want to grow in the market, they want to improve they have to improve the varieties in their product. आज एक variety of product वो launch कर रहे हैं market में, they are manufacturing, but क्या अगर उनको ग्रोथ चाहिए, इफ दे वांट टू ग्रो देयर बिजनेस, सो दे वांट टू मेक सो मेनी चेंजेस. एंड व्हाट चेंजेस आर देयर? द चेंजेस शुड बी इन द नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस. ओके, दे शुड इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस ऑफ देयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. सपोज दे आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बकेट. Okay, two variety of buckets they are manufacturing. Okay, so that organization, what they should do, they should manufacture more different types of varieties and different quality of buckets. Then only their business, then only their organization will grow. And number of employees, suppose before number of employees were 20, the business is growing, so they should increase the number of employees of the in the organization. And so many things are there that they can use in the growth of the business. Okay, so these are the three heads of the organizational objectives, that is survival, profit and growth. Okay, and every organization have their own objective and they have to achieve different objectives are there, and the objectives can be achieved by the management. Okay, and the aim of the organization objectives is growth and prosperity. Okay, and these are the three heads of the organizational objective. Okay, I hope you have understood today's video. Okay, today we have done the first managerial objective of the management. Okay, and in next video we will do some other objectives. Okay, until then, thank you so much.